primarily, one of the things we need to do is improve the throughput of the research, that we need ways of basically going around the design, build, test, learn loop faster, which means more automation. Getting things from the research labs to production means that you have to be able to do design space exploration much more rapidly, which means changing the way we do things using computational tools, automation and the like. I think that's going to be fundamental to moving things forward in this area. So my area is not primarily in the experimental side or the therapeutic side, but I think that the strategies there are much the same in the sense that we need to have good information available, readily accessible and findable, so that you can actually find information, not just have to go through and do the same sort of explorations every single time. So the more this information is captured in ways that can be reused, it's going to expedite the process of finding new therapeutical solutions. Well, I'd be amiss probably from my area not to say that it's the computational tools that are really important. I think going forward, we need to move away from doing everything in sort of Word and Excel and start embracing these computational tools for editing our sequences and planning our experiments and capturing our data. And I think that's critically important to move this from sort of the small into the large scale. So I think I've learned one thing, is that things always take longer than you think. So it's hard to guess at what's going to be happening in just this 1 year, but I imagine that we're going to see more and more uptake of these tools, data standards, developing libraries of parts. I do feel like we're hitting a point now, because of the tremendous investment we've seen from of capital into these companies, that they're going to be pushed to accelerate their delivering so that the investors are happy. And to do that, once again, you need to use tools and data standards and data repositories and the like to make that happen.